And for the final updates of today, we've got gold and Bitcoin. Starting off with gold on the 1 hour time frame, we can see we had our break of structure in towards the downside, followed by another break of structure in towards the downside. So this is my swing high and this is my swing low. We spoke about yesterday, after we liquidated this high, we could start looking for any short positions from this supply zone, which if I go down onto the 15-minute time frame, I can show you the position that I actually entered yesterday and then received a take profit. As you can see, this was the 1 hour supply zone after liquidating this high over here. So this is a relatively strong area of supply. What I was then looking for was we liquidated these highs over here, and then on the 15-minute we changed the order flow bearish. So at that point I was happy to place a buy stop on that, a sell stop, sorry, on that liquidity, on the fractal break, sorry, then targeting a 1 to 2, which as you can see got hit. Now I did share this position with people that are on my mentorship, students. So if you want to get in contact with me and find out more information, you're more than welcome. You'll also get more access to all of my charts and all of the different pairs that I trade on a day-to-day basis. Moving on to Bitcoin, we can see on the daily time frame that we've had a break of structure, and this is our current swing range. We've liquidated this high within the overall impulse in towards the downside, and now we're just waiting for this demand chain to fail to potentially look for any shorts in towards the downside. If we go down onto the 4 hour time frame, that daily order flow, sorry, is a 4 hour trend in towards the upside. This is our break of structure and this is our current swing range. For shorts, what I want to see is I want to see a clear break and close below this low, and then a retest, and any of these liquidity highs then become the liquidity point that fuels the move in towards the downside. However, as you can see, if we still hold this this swing structure after liquidating this low, a break of this supply chain would be enough for me to validate a long position to target the week swing high. There is still open liquidity on the daily, which is why this position does make sense for me. However, the higher probability position is the sell in towards the downside following the daily swing structure.